we have our new Volkswagen Transporter T6.1 LED DRL headlights with dynamic indicators. We will have a closer look before following on with a guide created as a slideshow to help you along when fitting. This headlight set is a new design which is based on how the Volkswagen T7 headlights look. This is a very modern design and will facelift the looks of any T6.1. These headlights are fully road legal, E-marked and made for the UK right-hand drive vehicles. They are also MOT compliant. These are available in two colours, gloss black, as shown here, and smoked chrome. If you see the two links below, these will direct you to these on our website. The DRLs are a bright white and they use the latest LED light bar technology. The DRLs turn off when indicating and flash flowing dynamic. When the indicators are turned off, these headlights are programmed for the DRL to come back on. This headlight set comes as a complete plug-and-play kit. The headlights are supplied with bulbs fitted, H7 dip beam, which is behind the projector, and H1 high beam. Our headlights have built-in resistors, therefore you don't need to worry about any bulb errors appearing on your dash. They are also equipped with levelling motors fitted, which is located here. Our headlights are also made with all wiring and resistors built inside with a plug socket on the rear, just like the OE ones originally designed, which is located here. Let's get them fitted. This is just a guide to show you how easy they are to install. The only tools you will need are a T30 and a T25 Torx and a trim tool.